Are you looking for a mid-handicappers golf balls? In this video, I will show you the 5 best mid-handicappers golf balls, based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Titleist Pro V1. Titleist Pro V1 and Pro V1X golf balls offer total performance for every player. Each element of a Pro V1 and Pro V1X is precisely formulated and designed to work together to deliver the performance you need on every shot. The next generation 2.0 ZG process core contributes to longer distance on all shots through lower spin and faster ball speed. The soft urethane elastomer cover system helps to deliver drop and stop greenside control and soft feel with long-lasting durability. The 4th product on the list is the Callaway Warbird. Callaway's renowned HEX aerodynamics reduce drag and promote high launch for increased speed, hang time, and distance. Designed for distance seekers who want to see maximum flight. This two-piece ball is long and features a large, soft, high-energy core that yields astounding ball speed. The extra-large high-energy core is highly compressible to unlock more potential distance at any swing speed. With its commitment to distance and a white or optical yellow color option, Warbird is a strong option for golfers who want to hit the ball farther. The 3rd product on the list is the Rickson Soft Feel Golf Balls. This soft-feeling distance ball is designed to launch high with low spin to create exceptional distance and control. The low-compression design of this golf ball delivers a high moment of inertia, which lead to greater accuracy on off-center shots. Also featuring the visual performance of pure white for greater visibility. Engineered with a highly resilient super soft core, 71 compression core formulation, whilst superior new aerodynamics give golfers with moderate swing speeds exceptional distance and soft feel. The new improved soft feel 344 Aero Power Dimple design delivers a penetrating trajectory with higher lift force, resulting in incredible carry and distance and superior stability. The 2nd product on the list is the Titleist Tour Soft Golf Balls. Titleist Tour Soft Golf Balls real performance. Better game. The all-new Titleist Tour Soft Golf Ball delivers responsive soft feel, commanding distance, and excellent short game performance. Now available in both white and high optic yellow. Benefits: responsive soft feel, faster ball speeds for category-leading distance, increased short game spin, a more penetrating ball flight, improved easy alignment features, reformulated, larger and faster core, thinner 4CE grafted cover, spherically tiled 342 cuboctahedron dimple design, new alignment stamp. The 1st product on the list is the Bridgestone Golf Tour BXS. Bridgestone Tour BXS golf balls switch to the Tour BXS to feel what it's like to gain control, distance, and a decisive advantage over the competition. Feel for more birdies and distance to help you attack the course. The enhanced feel of the Tour BXS comes from a softer cover as a result of the SlipRes technology. The Tour BXS gets distance as a result of increased ball speed from the gradation core construction. Tee through green, the Tour BXS is designed to give you an edge on the course. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.